Master the Road, Driving Lessons Newcastle with Novocastrian Driver. Training. Description 1. Discover confidence on roads with Driver Training Newcastle. Personalized instruction for safe, skilled driving. Your journey starts here. Why choose Novocastrian Driver Training? Expert instructors. Our team consists of highly skilled and certified driving instructors with years of experience. They and #39, we're not just here to teach you how to drive but to mentor and guide you every step of the way. Comprehensive curriculum. Our curriculum covers everything from basic driving techniques to advanced maneuvers, ensuring you and #39 prepared for any driving situation. We focus on passing the test and instilling safe driving habits that last a lifetime. Modern fleet of vehicles. Safety is our top priority, so we maintain a modern fleet of vehicles equipped with the latest safety features. You and #39 LL learn to drive in comfort and confidence, knowing you and #39 behind a reliable